just discovered how to make a heart napkin. Hopefully I'm going to be able to recreate it and show you. Now I've got these napkins from One Beyond. They were 2 in a pack for £2, which makes them £1 each. Use them or wash them yet. I've no idea how they're going to wash and wear. Plain napkin. Okay, apparently you fold it in half. These corners in. Like that. And I think you turn it over and roll it. Oh gosh.
These are eatable, so this.
Yeah, that chicken's fine. Like that. Like this, and then turn it back round. These over. Now I'm gonna have to put it down because I've tried this a few times and I can't do it that way around. So, and then you've got a love heart, big napkin. Okay, let me get a plate. Let me.